Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all had a great start to the new year. I have started a couple of resolutions like every year. This year also I plan to work out daily, meditate daily, eat clean. Well, this year I plan to stick to my resolutions. Now let's jump into the makeup tutorial. Today's look is inspired by Anushka Shetty's latest movie, Nishabdham, which means silence. It's shot in Seattle and it looks like a thriller or a horror kind of movie. It also stars Madhavan. Madhavan and Anushka Shetty are the heartthrobs of South Indian cinema, and I'm so excited to see them together again. Now in this movie, Anushka Shetty plays the role of a mute artist named Sakshi. She has a very different styling in this movie. She has short, curly hair, very subtle smoky eyes, and in some song sequences I see a pop of color on her eyelids too. Overall the look is very feminine and very innocent looking, and I really loved it. For today's video I chose the look from her song Niye Niye, in which she is sporting a denim jacket and she has blue eyeliner and very subtle makeup. So we're gonna go and recreate that. Let's see how it goes. So as a first step, I'm gonna curl my hair. I'm gonna do that off camera. If you want to see how I curl my hair, you can check it out in the Nayanthara look inspired video. So I'll be back. So my curls are done. Now let's get down to the makeup. Before that, outfit change. I'm gonna start off with a moisturizer. This is the Glassy Skin Balm from Touch and Soul. It's so hydrating and has really helped my skin this winter. Next, I'm going to apply foundation. Just to cover up all the blemishes, I'm going to apply a light layer of foundation. I'm really loving this MAC Face and Body Foundation in the shade C5. I'm going to apply a few drops. And I'm going to blend it out with a stippling brush. Next, I'm going to use my MAC Concealer in the shade NW35. I'm going to use it to conceal the under eyes and some of the blemishes on my cheeks. Next, I'm going to use a setting powder with a damp sponge. This ensures that the concealer doesn't crease. You can let the powder sit there for a little bit, or you can just sweep it off with a nice fluffy brush. Now let's move on to the eyebrows. In this movie, Anushka Shetty has really thick eyebrows, so let's try to recreate that. Thick eyebrows are very much in fashion these days. It gives a very youthful appearance. For this, I'm going to use a dark brown eyebrow gel from NYX. You can take an angled brush, dip it in, start with the outer corner. I'm going to stick to the natural shape of my eyebrows and just fill in the gaps. Okay, the eyebrows are done. Now for the highlight of the look, which is the pop of color. I'm using a blue liquid liner from Wet n Wild. It's called the Mega Liner. Next, I'm going to use a brown eyeliner onto the outer edge of the waterline. And then I'm going to smudge it out with some brown eyeshadow. Now for some mascara. Now for the finishing touches, a little bit of blush. I'm using this Marbled Light blush from Seattle, London in the shade Dusk. Now for a bit of highlight on the bridge of the nose. Now for the last step, I'm going to add a mauve lipstick. So that's the final look. I'm really looking forward to this movie. I wish Anushka Shetty and her team all the very best. Do like and comment and let me know what you thought of this video. Bye, see you in the next one. Till then. This is Nisha signing off.